the change in me is you. Somehow
I used to think that love was just for fools.
So how did love ever find this fool lost in the dark?
And how did love find the key to open up my heart? Now I know there's no life without love.
Now I know what lovers always knew.
I was blind until you came and changed my point of view. But now I see the change in me is you. To feel you here beside me,
To know you see inside me.
before we met I thought I had it all.
But who'd have guessed that love would come and take me by surprise?